Okay, head gasket's on. Threw a new manifold on it. New alternator. Asian water pump, which I got a little bit of whine out of. My belt doesn't seem too tight, but maybe I gotta play with it a little bit. Timing cover mod, basic stuff. Yeah, nothing too terrible. Lots of silicone hoses. I still gotta do these ones in the front. That's ran out of hose. But all the backs are silicones. A lot of new rubber hoses. New fuel lines. Just went through. Yep. Pretty basic. Intake gasket, head gasket, exhaust gasket, new donuts, big old Ford oil filter. Yeah. Like I was saying, I got that whine. I might be replacing the water pump here pretty soon. I'm starting to think that's actual mileage, because a lot of this was original when I pulled it off. Nope. Loosen up that belt, now I gotta squeal. As you can hear it, it's whining a little bit. I got a little body overfilled my coolant. Put the coolant, a little bit of a whine. I might just have to get the water to it. Not terrible. A little bit of whine. More when you get on it. Apparently that bolt goes through. I left my heat shield off. This little bolt was leaking. There's a hole there for the heat shield. Apparently you need that bolt in. Yeah, I think it just had to get water. Oh, there's the whine. So it's got a little bit of whine going on. I gotta address it later. But I think she's drivable. I gotta burn off all this VHT on these headers, manifold, not header. Take it down the highway and get it nice and hot. Yeah, she's idling good. I don't have any leaks. I didn't take the throttle body off the intake. Just one less thing to try not to do everything at once. I can do that throttle body gasket later. Yeah, that's basically it. Right? Doesn't sound terrible. Pretty basic. I'm gonna have to take that off to adjust it. I got it marked, but yeah, I was hoping you could see it, but you can't see it. Yeah, pretty basic. Yeah, get her on the road, get her actually going, paying for itself, so I don't have to drive my beast over here. Yep. Little update.